Here's what you can do to adjust the notification volume on the Xiaomi 17. So if you open settings and then scroll down a little bit, then you should be able to find the sound and vibration option, and this is where we can go. Now over here we have 3 sliders, and one of them is ringtone, and this is the slider that you need to adjust if you want to change the notification volume level. So by default the ringtone and notification volume is pretty much the same. It is shared. I mean, this slider is shared for both of these things, even though it's just named ringtone. But what you can do is you can actually split the ringtone slider, and you can adjust the notification volume separately. In order to do so, first we have to scroll down in this menu and go to additional settings, and then you want to enable this option over here, control notification sounds. If you turn it on, then we can go back to the previous menu, and then if we scroll up to these volume sliders, you will notice that now we have notification slider and we can adjust it separately. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.